In today's video, I'm going to teach you how save indicator settings Tradingview. First, get your chart looking exactly the way you want. Add your desired indicators using the Indicators button at the top of the chart. Then fine-tune each one. Open the settings for an indicator and adjust inputs like lengths or sources. Change colors and line styles. And use the visibility options to control which timeframes show each element. Hide any plots you don't need, and remove indicators you don't want included. The goal here is simple: whatever is active and visible on your chart right now is what the template will capture. Pro tip: be signed in so your work saves to your account and syncs across devices. Once your indicators are dialed in, open the template menu. Look for the indicator templates icon in the top toolbar. It's the one with 4 small squares next to the indicators button. If you are unsure, hover over it and you'll see the tooltip that confirms you are in the right spot. Click that icon to reveal the template options. Next, choose Save Indicator Template. This command takes a snapshot of your currently applied indicators and their settings. It won't include drawings or chart appearance like colors or scales; those live in your chart layout. This save is specifically for indicators and their configurations. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your template. Use a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it instantly later, something that reflects the strategy. The primary indicator set or the conditions it is designed for. If you maintain multiple versions, consider adding a short note like a date or version tag to avoid confusion. Keeping names consistent will make your workflow much faster. Finally, click Save to store it to your account. From now on, that template will be available in your Indicator Templates menu whenever you need it. If you later refine your setup, you can save again with the same name to overwrite. Or give it a new name to keep both versions. Either way, your preferred configurations are now just a couple of clicks away, helping you maintain consistency and speed across charts and sessions. That's it. Thanks for watching.